I'm going to use my Hobart Handler 140 to weld up this deck of my mower. I was mowing and I hit a post and I broke off a piece that holds the deck level, and so my grass looks pretty weird when I mow it. So I'll take care of that. I'm going to use this Hobart Handler 140 MIG welder using flux core wire. Don't have any gas today, but I'm sure it'll work fine. Welded this mower deck using a Hobart MIG welder. Hobart Handler 140 is what it is, and I'm using flux core. I'd get a better weld if I were using gas with it, but you know, I don't weld that often. I just use it for occasional repairs, so it works. It's a little messy looking, but it should hold. I think it'll be okay. Hobart Handler.